Hello, this is Joshua Johnson and Sun.io. Carlos Macri is the founder. We're here just telling you a little bit about Sun Startup Neural Network, founded by 4i Global. So this will be the example that we're going to use today, just showing you a little bit about Sun and how you use it. This experience that you'll encounter right now is a single user corporation. It's paid. And we'll go in a little bit about the overview of what Sun is. It started in 2009 as a consultancy, and then 2012 the algorithm was created, and it's been in beta for the past year in Medellin, Colombia, showing great results. So this is the scouting focus, the focus understanding the needs for 4i Global, making the algorithm better, mobile and communications, IT, artificial intelligence, big data is huge to input it to make the algorithm better, and then digital. So we'll focus on energy. We have a match in the renewable energy sector. We're going to go to the dashboard right here. I'll just showcase a little bit about each of this portal. Imagine Bloomberg Terminal, minus the UI, but the juggernaut itself and the content. Just imagine the terminal, but instead of finance, it's for R&D purposes, showcasing the future of the possibilities of your company or a government ecosystem, creating many Silicon Valleys around the world for governments or for the multinationals, understanding their needs better. This is Carlos's profile, and he uses it a lot, so it is well used in the metrics, and he has an A+ rating. The scouting graph is here. We'll go down the list here. This is the conference room, the inbox, and the log out. InnoSensor is basically what makes the algorithm match you with things. So if Sun, the 4i, is understanding, saying that based on the needs of requested, we're going to be connected to renewable energy, which is Vortex Bladeless. This happened automatically. InnoBox is the connection they automatically connected us with, and then the innovation room was the byproduct of the InnoBox. So these are the 5 ecosystems. You have the energy, the ICT here. You have materials and life sciences and the clean tech. So you have subsets, the iCells, which are various things, of the other categories, which will focus on the iCell renewable energy. And then we'll go into Vortex Bladeless. What the Vortex Bladeless was connected based on the algorithm needs, we saw a need for innovation in the renewable energy sector. So they matched us, the algorithm, and then once we clicked on that, then we clicked and created an innovation room. We connected, and they accepted, and then the deal flow starts, and this is what makes unique to Sun. And it's beyond investors connecting with startups and new technology. It's also R&D groups, startups, multinationals coming around government, connecting for deal flow based on the needs of the multinational. So based on this, we see communication. We have the NDA, and then a detailed MOU, basically, is what it is. So you have the collaboration, and then the partners and who they are, funding needs, and the patents. And what I love about 4i and what it's created in Sun is the technology-specific algorithm that cross-references the needs of the companies based on the future of technology, not as much as processes or business models. And the future, we believe, is based around technology, and especially the value of privatized companies seeing that as a way to showcase the value in a better way is tangible technology and IP. You can connect through Skype, call and chat, or you internally video chat a peer.in, and you can connect here and then send to investors based around the need of outside money, because this is clearly, the Vortex is an R&D company helping us, and in a way, this is 4i is an innovation company, so more money may be needed, so an outside third party could be involved in the creation of a discovery based on cross-referencing Vortex and 4i and the data within. We'll skip my challenges, and then we'll go to trends. My challenges will go into the next profile that we log into. Trends is similar to the Bloomberg portal dashboard, the terminal, which showcases a lot of information, and we'll have more information as data continues and increases. The API is next to have global expansion, and then after the API, the Juggernaut, the algorithm being the focus, and the Juggernaut, the UI will then be continued sharpening the UI and improving the UI as time progresses. But the focus right now is the algorithm and creating value for the companies, and it will continue to get prettier and prettier on the eyes, and the mobile will be a huge part of that as well. So we can log out, and the others, as you can see, that's just the basic mail and various things. So we can log out and go into another profile. That's a single user corporation, and this is Sun.io homepage. And now we're logging into an ecosystem that's created in Colombia, and it was just made for this video, so it's fictitious. So it's at 1%, but we pulled in some of the companies from Medellin and the Colombian ecosystem there. So within this community right now, the most deal flow is between enterprises and R&D groups. And this is the government at the center. So this is the innovation providers and innovation seekers, as you can see. So we can click on enterprises and understanding this ecosystem around the multinationals and their needs. So the radar of the 150 companies within this ecosystem, it's slightly smaller. So this is a smaller government ecosystem, maybe 1 million people, even 500,000. So this, not every sector is finished. So the ICEL, FinTech, there's no company that fills that. So within, there's still the 5 ecosystems cross-referenced. So this is a smaller group community, and you can see there's still challenges though that take place similar to XPRIZE. Based around this, we see the need to state a fact, state a need, and see who wants to meet those needs. So this is what happens, and you can see the related things, and then the algorithm also matches you with challenges, but the company itself states the needs within, and then you can click on those and see that challenge and see if you have the capability to meet those needs or not. And that is what a challenge is, and then that continues into deal flow. So that is the case, and we look forward to having you use Sun.io. We look forward to it, and thank you so much.